So this is the Proxy TC-11 Shoei X-15. This is what the helmet looks like overall, and the colors are so vibrant on this helmet. We're gonna put a black visor on here, pin lock. It comes with some accessories over here. So some of the chin mounts and the wind guard, a manual, pretty easy unboxing to be honest with you. And then this is the pin lock they give you, very nice pin lock. And it's actually for one of my friends, but he ordered the helmet, and yeah, it's gonna match with the bike really well. And overall, the actual helmet, let's give you some details. There you go. Okay, we'll put the black visor on and be right back. Black visor on the Shoeis is pretty good. Yep. Alright, so then what you do is you take the tab here, this tab right here, and then you just basically pull it out. There you go. It's new, so it hasn't been broken in yet. And there you go. Oh, dang. Everything's super tight right now. There you go. Okay, so you're never gonna wear this, obviously. Yeah. And then again, the black visor just goes on the helmet. We're gonna put the pin lock, and then we'll show you guys once the helmet's installed. I mean, pin lock's installed. So pin lock's installed. The edges line up here properly, and they give you this blue film, and then you just rip the blue film off. And the reason they give you this blue film is because they don't want you touching the inside of the actual helmet pin lock. And we'll put this on here, and then we'll wipe off all these smudge marks. Right guys, so we installed the dark visor, and this is how it looks with the visor. And it's still new, as I said, it needs to be broken in. But this is the tab to lock it right here. So you just slide it to lock, unlock, and then this is the button that goes up and down. We still have to put the nose guard here, and we're gonna put the wind guard here, and we're gonna install the packtalk in the actual helmet. All right, so we put the visor on, we put the pin lock on the helmet. Okay, cleaned it up a bit, any sticky residue. Put a Cardo packtalk, put the wind deflector at the bottom. So this should clip right here. And what this does is keeps more wind away from the inside of the helmet. And then the last thing we did was put the nose guard that comes with the helmet. So in order to open the visor on these helmets, the button's in the center. So when you lock it, you gotta obviously break it in a bit, even on the inside and out. When you lock it and you click it, it goes back up. To lock the actual visor is this button. There's two vents in the front. So there's one vent right there at the bottom and one at the top. And for the wind at the top, the venting, this is to open up the side vents, close the side vents. You can see the vents open up here, and this is the central vent. When you have all three open here, and you have both these open, the wind actually exits from one of these points. This is just a carver, and it exits from these 2 points right here. It creates a downforce. So the helmet itself is very aerodynamic at high speeds. And again, they look aerodynamic, the wings, but the helmet itself is actually really well built, and it keeps you really cool inside. So just wanted to give you guys the rundown on this design. And as I said, I was setting it up for a friend, and put the comm system. The speakers are right here at the side, very well built. They have speaker pockets well built in, and they don't hurt your ears, and they're very flush. It'll break in. It'll take about a couple of months of solid usage to break in, and after that, we'll get his review on how he actually likes the helmet. So that's it. Thanks, guys. Hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and enjoy the video. Just a little recap of the helmet As I said, I'm a very big fan of Shoei. X-15s are one of my favorite helmets, X series in general, and I'm trying to get everybody on board with the helmets. So yeah.